Very good.
Yuan, let go!
Yeah, like that, like that. You.
It's okay!
This is not a scary thing. Ginawa ko. I think I'm gonna hold them. I thought you want to hold.
Wow!
What a holding.
No, this is just emergency.
Wala ka sa loob.
Yeah, tapos na kasi eh.
Fun?
Parang daddy lang ah.
Yabang, oh, nag-holding na. Kanina, holding tight. Ay, tayo na.
Oo, teka.
Ayaw mo yan!
Lean back!
Din, ba?
Chicken! Chicken!
Elise, bakit na?
Ay, Elias, dyan!
Hirap na hirap si Kuya, oh.
Ay, Maren! Let's go!
Let's go! Hindi na sinulat na yung cabinet.
You.
Ano ba?
O, samahan mo nga to.
Yay!
Ay, yung bawat ba?
Hamon.
Bilang sila ng ice cream. Okay, pati
Nagdum rin ako.
isang finger. Bumili ka na rin.
Malaki?
Ala! Ala!
Ay, Meren! Let go! Ay, Meren! Let go of your hands!
Hindi ako yun.
Sabi sila daw. Let go of your hands, Ay, Meren! Ito si
Ay, Meren, almond or white?
Almond yan. Cyril, di na bumitaw.
Kuya, bitaw!
Mas mamanchong eh. Ano?
Tingnan natin sa... Tingnan mamaya, tingnan natin kaya mo. Tingnan natin, namaya kaya mo ha. Tingnan natin, ikaw pa daddy, kala mo, tingnan natin.
Yan lang eh.
Dapat kayo magkatabi eh. Dapat kayo magkatabi ni Daddy eh. Kami ni Almeren dapat eh, no?
Tingnan mo daddy, kala mo ha.
Ako
Gusto mo, ganito pa ako eh. Isang paa lang eh.
Tingnan natin ha.
Sige ha, Dad never touch the thing. Dad, you can never touch the handles or the pillar, just nothing.
Sir, try to na sir.
Dad, hands on the side.
Okay, ready.
Hands on the side.
Oh,
ha?
ito na
Stay there.
oh.
Don't move that.
I'm not gonna move.
Alright. I trust you, Dad. Dad. one.
Bumili.
Ano na, ice cream.